VVDN Technologies has set up that new facility to boost electronics production, and you just heard it from the IT Minister as well, who inaugurated the facility. VVDN is also looking at scaling design of electronics, also taken to full-scale manufacturing, and also expects to grow more than 50% over the next 3 years. And that's the word coming in from the CEO of the company in conversation with my colleague Sumita Karira. Let's go across and listen into a slice of that conversation.
What we are doing here is a full-scale design of a lot of electronic products and then taking them to manufacturing. We are working in multiple market segments, which includes telecom, automotive, IoT, networking. But on the background here, you see, for example, we are doing a lot of IT hardware. We are doing tablets, laptops, servers. So this is like a mind shift game of India, where not only we are doing manufacturing, all the products are designed from very grounds up and then taken into manufacturing. And these products are going to the whole globe.
Puneet, help us understand how much of a role have government schemes played in scaling up this facility, scaling up your expertise, and now that you're designing as well, how much of government policies have aided you in accomplishing this feat?
The direct government policies like PLI, the government launched IT PLI almost a year back, which is boosting not only the manufacturing, again design of a lot of the devices in India. So that schemes are in place, and this is not only helping to create the manufacturing, but also it is inviting a lot of global players to come to India and look for doing the design and manufacturing with Indian companies. I think business happens on the perspective. The perspective of the whole world is changing towards India.
Right. So you're already producing, electronics products for companies like HP. You've also announced that partnership with ASUS as well. Give us a sense of the kind of partnerships that you're looking at forging. How many companies are you currently in touch with, and how many of those will eventually get sealed?
So I think it has been an amazing last 4 years for us, right? We are now recognized as a global brand, right? And with the geopolitical situation, there are a lot of global large Fortune 100 companies which are looking for alternate location to other countries, Asian countries, and India can be their favorite destination.
I want to understand the kind of capacity output that you're looking from this particular facility and from across the other facilities that you have. I believe you also have 2 other facilities coming up soon.
Absolutely. So I think we have almost like a capacity of 2 million square feet here in terms of manufacturing. And in terms of revenue, we can deliver more than $1 billion revenue from these facilities.
So these new facilities that are going to be coming up, you've mentioned that medtech is one sector that you're going to be looking at, but what are the other sectors that you're looking at with respect to manufacturing in particular?
So our growing sectors are automotive, telecom, and the new sector which we are entering into is railways, aerospace.
One final question. What is the overall growth projections that you have, particularly from this particular plant for the next 1 year?
See, we've been growing like 50 to 70% from last few years. I think we will continue to grow more than 50% year over year, at least for next 3 years.
Rather than a big leap coming in as far as electronics manufacturing in India is concerned, but with that